Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create user on MacBook. Are you ready? So let's get started. Uh, Click here and then after that choose System Preferences. Here you have to click on User and Group, as you can see, this one. Okay. In the left side, we have only one user, which is admin, and you have to unlock typing your password. And now it's here you can click on plus to create a new user. So I'm gonna click on that. New account. Here you can choose the type of your user. Should it be admin, standard, or sharing only? I am going to create a standard user. Okay, and here you should type the name, for example, Murti, and here you should type your password. Okay, and click on create user. As you can see, I created this user. Now let's check it and log in with this user. You should click on switch user, or you can log in with previous account. Okay, I'm not actually logged in with the new user. So yeah, that's how you can create user on MacBook. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.